get this. It's not that I don't like my locks. It's just that sometimes I want change. You feel me? So clearly, as you can see, I have already started to braid my hair. I will give y'all a little peeky loop. This is what I have left in the back. I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it this far, so I was like, let me do this first before I turn the camera on, because your girl is good for quitting and taking it out and like, I don't have to do that. I have microlocs. It's just the truth. Since I have like a little bit left, I'm gonna work on this little bit. So I'm gonna braid these two down and then I'm gonna move to my next row. Anywho, I have to braid my hair like with 3 locks at a time to get it to go into like a little tiny braid, because my hair is getting long. So braids are not my friend because they come out like real fat. And you know, if you put on a wig, that is not the thing to have. Fat, thick braids, because then your wig sit up off your head and you look like you in one of them Medea plays. And baby, I'm not trying to look like I'm a part of one of those old school Medea plays, okay? So one thing I learned about braiding my hair is I can braid it tight, but I just don't braid it tight to the roots. So when I grip my locks, I grip the locks and I braid the locks, but I braid them off of the root of my scalp. Not only that, when I get to the ends, if you notice, like my ends were like a little, how should I put it? They're not tight. I don't braid them really tight because I did that one time. And let me tell you, I had the hardest time getting my locks loose. And I felt like I was just pulling off the balls at the end that actually form my lock. It was a nightmare. So if you braid your locks, I'm telling you, don't make that mistake, because I've made it for us both. Just telling you that. All right, to the next section so I can get D-O-N-E. Okay, so don't mind this little piece that's hanging out. But what I'm trying to do is get you to look at my head from the side, and you can see how flat it still looks. So like coming right here, it still looks flat, and that was my goal. So ultimately, when you see me or when I put my wig on, it won't look bulky. See, move back. What I'm trying to do is prevent bulk. So that's why you see me doing it in really short pieces, and it doesn't matter which way it goes, because who's gonna see it? Who's gonna at me? And I can always like tuck these pieces, you know? So yeah, and they can go to the bottom of the wig, you know? Like we can always tuck those and tighten those. And notice how I keep saying wig, even though I said I was gonna do a sew in, but all right, y'all. So the second side is done. Like I could rock this as a style though. Like if all of that wasn't a little raggedy, a little ratchet, a little something, something. I'm looking in the mirror, y'all, so bear with me. But yeah, if it wasn't a little something, something, I could rock this. Bam, bam. I just had my hair in curls, so that's why it's giving life, right? Yeah, because this is fairly large. Yep, I'm gonna split it. Make sure I split it. And then I'm gonna take this part right here to the back. I'm gonna take this back, and then I'm gonna braid this part. All right, so let's see, where's my ponytail holder? So this right here, keep it funky simple. Have a lot of hair like I do. Sometimes you just have to, you know, break it down. I'm doing the best me I could do. The worst thing that was with that section was holding my arms up. That's why you kept seeing me like, because it was like my neck and my arms. Oh my God, that was a struggle. But it's over. So section, last but not least, split this down the middle, because I typically will either wear my parts down the middle or to the side. And since I have a side part, deep side part on both sides, I will split it down the middle, and we will braid these going like so, and then we will be done. That is it. So, how do I look? Am I ready for my close-up? Woo. We are done with the braids. That is, I'm going to go get some string. I want to go get some thread, right? But listen, thread can be very dangerous to my hair, so I have to be very careful. All I'm gonna do is use it to wrap some of my ends up, not many, some, honey, some. I think I'm just gonna put a piece of string to go across, just to keep it to lay flat like back here. That's it, boom, yeah. And then pin this down. Be right back. I found a different solution, as you can clearly see, excuse me. Instead of me sewing down my hair, I found a more holistic approach. No, I felt like this was better. I was looking for my needle and thread, and I was like, oh wait, you got caps. So why not use these things? And now I look like I have my hair just bundled up. And baby, I think this could be a cute little hairstyle, like if I was to put my little thing. Anyway, I digress, moving forward. So let me show y'all the goods. This is what I'm going to attempt to put on, okay? This is Janet. I had her since my birthday, because I thought I was going to wear this for my birthday, but clearly I did not. Pop a picture of my birthday hair up so you can see that. That's something else I wore. I ordered like 2 wigs and I had another hairstyle, and I don't know, whatever. I just couldn't. Anywho, Janet is a transparent natural hairline with 13x6 frontal part. Okay, this is pretty cool. So let's see. This is what she's supposed to look like. This is what the other ones look like. Hopefully we all good in the hood around here. I don't know. But let's take her out the package like we normally do. I haven't done one of these in so long. Like, what is this? Oh God. And if I don't like it, I will not wear it. I will chunk it to the side and go to my favorite wig, because I do have a favorite wig. Okay. All right. That's the hairline, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that through. Take out the little card. What? That is not a card. Paper. This is the card. Paper. So yeah, she does come in different colors. As y'all can see, I'm not going to repeat them. I'm just going to show it to you. Best way to do that. And what I have is a 1B. She does have elastic bands and combs and all of that. And let me show you. So that is the band. So you can band it around your hair in case you have a little head. It won't fall out. And if you have locks like me, you don't have any hair to attach it to, you can go ahead and attach it to your super little baby hairs right here and be good to go. So it's 2 up top and 1 in the back like they normally do. Or if you don't want to put any combs in, you just put your band on your head and go on about your business, okay? It's your choice. Do as you may. All right. Now, let's get this card cut off and let's get this baby tried on. I'm going to do what I normally do, which is I take this stuff right here. It is excellent. What is it called? Even tint spray. This is my shade. I use it all the time. And I spray my lace with it. So, this is what you're going to see. I think my hair is still too big under it because I got it pulled all the way to the back here. It won't pull anymore to the front. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Work with me. Like, it's not coming. Oh my God. What do I do? Oh, there goes something. I put my hand under there and I did something. Now, it may not be able to go all the way to the bottom, and this is not going to be good for such a short week. I look like an old Southern belle with one eye. Help me, Lord. Help me, girl. Oh, I don't know about this week. What y'all think? I'm looking like a real whole weirdo right now. Well, let's see what we can do. All right, y'all. This is my 4th time recording this ending. However, this is Miss Janet, Miss Jackson, if you're nasty, boy. So, okay, y'all, the change that I definitely wanted. I have done so much in the past 2 or 3 weeks where I have tried braids and I have tried curling my hair, and just always styling my own locks is getting just a little everyday for me. And so I just wanted to try something different. This is the difference maker for me. It doesn't have to last very long. I'm good with knowing that I can take this off tomorrow and be okay. You wanna know why? Because I did it. Only thing that I paid for was $19.95 plus tax for Miss Janet. That was it. From my local beauty store. If it's on Amazon, I'll link it in the description box below for anybody who wants to purchase Miss Janet and wants to get this 80s look with me, because you know she's giving that real, you know, get it girl. She's giving that look, you know what I'm saying? Other than what I have going on right now, I just wish that my part was to the other side, because I'm used to wearing it on this side of my face. versus this side, and this may get a little annoying over time in front of my eye. I'm not used to having anything all in my face. And so for my hair, my beauticians, you know, y'all tell me how I did up here, okay? Because I'm not a beautician by far. I don't claim to be, but my skill set is just okay. I can get it done. That's pretty much what I did. Look at the mirror. I got it done. Y'all see that? I brought it in real close because it is what it is. Okay. I will go ahead and put on what I stole from my sister, which is her head wrap. She is a beautician. I'll put on the headband and melt my lace a little bit more overnight and see how it turns out tomorrow. But other than that, I'm satisfied. I'm happy. And I hope you guys were happy with this quick content that I made because it was definitely impromptu. I did not even think I would make it to the end, but I'm glad I did it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions or if there's anything that I did not cover, let me know. Drop it in the comment section below and I'll get back with you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.